Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn built-in functions for string in Python, string.rstrip method in Python. Python rstrip method. The string.rstrip method will return a new string with trailing characters to be removed. Trailing means at the end of the string. Syntax: string.rstrip characters. Parameter: characters. The characters argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If no argument is passed, the rstrip method will remove the trailing whitespace characters if there are any. That means by default the rstrip method will remove whitespace characters such as space, tab and new line from the right of a string. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine some examples of string rstrip method in Python. Example 1. In this example, we assign the string value hello to the variable string. This string contains trailing spaces after the word hello. In the following statement, we apply the string rstrip method to this string. The rstrip string method will return a new string without any whitespace characters at the end. The return value will be stored in the variable s. Then the print statement print string world and print s world will print the original string and the new string respectively. The first print statement prints the original string hello with trailing spaces. The second print statement prints the new string hello without any trailing spaces. If no argument is passed, the rstrip method will remove the trailing whitespace characters if there are any. Example 2. In this example, we assign the string value apple python ap to the variable string. In the following statement, we apply the string strip method to this string by passing the characters argument a, p, l and e and store the result in a variable s. Then the print statement print s prints the return value of the strip method. The output of this example is Python. Passing strip the argument a, p, l, e will tell it to strip occurrences of a, p, l and e from the end of the string. The order of the characters in the string passed to strip does not matter. Strip a, p, l, e will do the same thing as strip a, e, l, p or strip p, l, e, a. The characters a, p, l, e are to be stripped from the string apple python ape. The resultant string we acquire will be Python. The stripping process continues until a different character is formed. Here a different character capital P is encountered at the left end and a different character N is encountered at the right end, so the stripping is stopped. The strip method is case sensitive, that means lowercase p and uppercase p are different. The strip method will return a new string with the leading and trailing characters removed. If no argument is passed, the strip method will remove the leading and trailing whitespace characters if there are any. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was strip method in Python. Next video is strip method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.